Alright guys, gonna put the new chip truck to work today. Had it out on one other job. So far seems to be going pretty good. Had to do some minor things to it. Had to do a clutch adjustment on it. I'll need to do some patching on the box, but nothing too major. So I think I made a good purchase on it, even though it's an older truck, still running pretty good. But today we've got this big nasty maple tree back there. Got Taylor back there. He's trying to get all the fluff out of the way so it's a little bit easier for me to climb. Then I'll go up and peel out all the top and start bringing down the trunk section. There's a power line back there. The neighbor's power line's back there, and the fence. There's a back patio area. You got to avoid all that stuff, but shouldn't be a problem. Do you have enough yet? Yeah, I'm good. Make sure you hit the slot. Yep. Pull. All right. Perfect. Didn't touch the fence. Didn't touch the wire. Went right where it needed to. Boy, it's like the old cave paintings. It's like this tree's trying to tell me a story. Well, the story is why I died. AKA, borers ate me. Alright, we pretty well got her chunked down. We're just ready to deal with the trunk now.